There's many different classes in any coding language. We're going to be looking at the string class for C++. So C++ provides us something called the string class, and it allows the programmer to create a string type variable. We talked about this previously in the last video. In the playlist, link below the like button, we have all the videos for C++ down there. Strings are needed because char variables, if you remember those, can only store a single character, and string stores multiple characters inside of a single string. When using the string class at the beginning for our preprocessor directive, we must include a #include two arrows, and inside of those two arrows facing opposite ways, we have the word string. Notice how the string is capitalized. That's just saying that we're including the string class inside of here. After we do this, we need to define a string type variable, and this is going to be called a string object. For an example, we have string movie title. Now we can assign a string literal to movie title with the assigned operator. So we declared it, now we're initializing it. We can say movie title is equal to Wheels of Fury. Notice how we have the double quotes and then the semicolon at the back. Using the cout, we can display the value of our movie title object. Remember, movie title is the string object variable that we've declared, right? So we're going to say cout. We have our two arrows to the left. My favorite movie is. All that's in quotes because we're printing that. And then we have two more arrows to the left. We're going to include our variable, which is the movie title, and then two arrows to the left, and then we're just going to end the line right there. So the output is just going to look like the following. My favorite movie is Wheels of Fury, and that is the basics of our string class in C++. In the next video, we'll be going over more data types, so that's super important to know before you start coding. It's all the basic knowledge, super important. Check that out, and the playlist below like button.